So Google released the first developer preview of its upcoming software release, Android P. So if you have any Pixel devices, you got out lucky. And this preview have got a lot of cool features and changes in the new Android P, which I'm gonna talk about in this video. And with this P thing, pancake, pudding, pie, pastry, pistachio, pineapple, pancake, peanut, peaches, pizza, Poseidon, poop, whatever it is, I just don't care. So here are the 25 new features of Android P, Developer Preview 1, and that's coming up after the intro. Hey, what's going on guys, this is Iperial Android, and if you wanna learn some Android tips and tricks, then hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon for future video updates. So let's jump right in. The new Android P includes some visual changes to the quick settings menu. All of the menu's icons now have circular design, and also they come with some blue color accents. Also, you can now just scroll down to see all of the icons in the menu. The notification has also got a huge upgrade as well. The notifications now have a clean minimal look with rounded corners, and it is also now able to display images that makes it much easier to see what someone has sent. Notification in Android P also have native support for smart replies in messaging apps. Google also changed the settings page completely, as Google kept using the old overused black and white page in all of their versions. Now they have added a new coat of paint to the settings page, making the icons colorful. The first animation that has changed in Android P is the app switching transition. In P, the transition switches applications from side to side, as you can see. Google has accepted the fact that the Android manufacturers are now gonna make their future phones with a notch cutout, like the iPhone X. So they added that support natively in their new OS, Android P. The Android P developer preview even lets you visualize what different notches will look like and how the app interacts with them. There is a screenshot editor in Android P which is called Markup, a fairly basic built-in screenshot editor that lets you doodle and crop your screenshots. It has a very secure lockdown feature. If you enable enter lockdown feature, your phone will lock and disable all alternative unlock methods like fingerprint, trusted voice, etc. only unlocked by code or pattern. The battery saver now can be set to automatically activate in any battery value between 5 and 70%. And in addition, the battery saver mode doesn't turn the status and navigation bar orange anymore, which is awesome because that was very annoying. Google has also added multi-camera support, which they are calling multi-camera API. On devices with 2 or more cameras, developers can get streams from all of them simultaneously. You also get a screenshot button in the menu that appears when you click the power button, which is very handy. The force stop and the uninstall button is now hidden in app info page in the 3 dots menu. Now the media volume is in the default in volume header instead of ringer volume, which is such a lifesaver. Now the do not disturb mode has no other damn options. It's just do not disturb. Android P includes a handy menu that tracks recent notifications so you can disallow an app that has been pestering you. It has a new feature called rotation lock for screen rotation even when auto rotate is disabled through a new navigation bar icon. For those who need to zoom in on a portion of text, Android P has a new magnifier tool which is called Text Zoom Tool. Android P also adds the battery percentage at the center bottom of the screen. The Pixel launcher receives a minor tweak in Android P, is that the dock is no longer completely transparent. This new shading extends from the navigation bar up to the new rounded corners of the dock. The search bar also adds a microphone icon at the very right that opens Google Assistant. Now Wi-Fi RTT support lets apps take advantage of indoor positioning. This protocol allows devices with the right hardware and enabled permissions to measure the distance between nearby wireless access points. In Android P now Google will autofill your passwords in any logging app. Android P makes the fingerprint security experience more consistent with the standard system dialog that prompts the user to touch the sensor and manage text and placement. In Android Oreo, the maximum number of Bluetooth audio devices that you can have connected at one time is 2, one for call audio and one for media. But in Android P there is a new developer option that allows for up to 5. You know how Chrome has a bunch of extra options called flags for enabling testing features or tweaking things. Now Android P has the same thing called feature flags. Basically all the unstable texting stuff with convenient toggles in one spot. High efficiency image file format is a relatively new format which was designed to maintain twice as much image data as a JPEG file, while keeping the file size roughly identical. Android P now includes native support for this file format along with a decoder of HDR VP9 video format, which makes it easier for developers to build apps that play HDR content. There's a new alarm toggle in quick settings. It shows the next alarm, gives you a shortcut to all currently set alarms, and allows you to easily set new ones. So there you have it guys. So if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, share this video, and check out my other videos and hit the subscribe button in there. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.